is yeah, welcome back to the channel. Just out a little trip and starting up the Jaguar and see if we can drive it a little and film it a little for you guys when it's driving. We have yeah, it have only been a small video about this car. 370,631 Norwegian kilometer, so it has gone long, but it started. Now it shows that it charged very well. We have fuel, oil pressure is normal, temperature is of course low, but at least we can take a drive out. Oh, the sun was coming here too. And just close. This car has been driven 370,000 kilometers. Listen to this. It's crazy. It's completely crazy. They had the video from the parking house. It's not perfect, it's different. Have some dents here. I don't understand why. Something happened. Some little problem here. Need to check up. Some paint. They have been hitting something. So I have a little there. And they have some rust in the wheel arches, but this was a very cheap Jaguar XJ6. Yeah, in a very nice color. XJ Executive. So you can just take a little drive to see, to be able to out and getting some fresh air, because it has been a lot of stress lately, a lot of disease and problems. So try to get this one now. Yeah, we are out test driving to get up to maybe some trees who maybe have some leaf left. I was hoping, I'm not sure. Just trying. This road was not it's not the autobahn to see it, at least. But it's very nice to drive this Jaguar. This one is it gives you a good feeling right away. Very easy to say. You just relax and enjoying sitting here. I was trying to put on the heat in my seat here now, but it's nothing for the moment, so still not sure if it's working at all. Just trying. And don't cry if it's not working, because you get a car for a price that was, yeah, I think it's could be a lot of enjoyment for very cheap Jaguar that I got very long. I have to film a little for you guys when my friend come driving with this car, because it's nice colors. I was hoping to get some autumn colors, but it is not. So now I'm just seeing these nice things here. We have a little. It's a very nice car, and the engine sound is perfect. This is very, very nice. It's very, very nice. Seriously, this is a keeper. It's a little dirty. You see some rusty. I haven't seen it so good before, but here it started to be a lot of rust from here. So it should maybe have been painted up to this split. You have to see. Of course, we just have to enjoy it a little. It's very nice. It's very, very, very nice car. This design, this model was 308. No, X300, sorry. X300 models. They are the most pretty sedans I can't remember any other sedans which are as pretty as this car. They are incredible. And the feeling they give is completely crazy. It's completely crazy. I love that car. I have a V12 standing back home. Green with a light color inside. That one have a color with creamy, more or less like this, and that one also is perfect combination. So I have to try to fix that. I'm going to back up to come and pick me up. That's nice. I don't have to walk all the way back home. You don't have any backup lights, so you have to fix that. This is very, very nice. It's a very, very nice car. It's kind of bad that you have to put it away for the winter. You can't let it get any more rust. You can see if you can film a little more. It's very nice. It's very, very nice. It's not clean, but the color is very, very beautiful for the car. We have some exhaust leak somewhere, some other noise. The fan was making some noise, I believe. This is really, really nice. I should have had a new one here. Should have had a new one here. I haven't been able to find them. Some other small things that need to be cleaned up and fixed in here. But I always have to remember myself that this was a very, very cheap Jaguar. You see the wheel? This is a steel metallic wheel inside. This is just a cover. It seems like it's aluminium. This is winter tires. So stand on winter tires, we have summer tires, and one crazy thing in the back of it, the 3 of the ordinary summer tires are lying in the back of the car, and still it's space. The 4th wheel was inside the back of the car. Yeah, I think it's a fan. Make a little fan noise. Ah, it's very nice. It's very, very nice. I was hoping to get some of the color from the trees behind us here. It's very little color. Some of the trees are starting to make a little yellow color. But I've been a little too late. I was hoping to get more on this car earlier, but time and sickness and things have made so we haven't done it. Sorry about that. But just to be out and enjoying driving it again. Soon we have to just park it away for the winter. But maybe you can do one more trip before, because this is like medication. It's very, very, very healthy to have a Jaguar like this. Yeah, I hope you like to see a little about the car again. I'm going to come with more when I get more place in the garage and things. I have to fix up more on this one, take the rust and everything. So this, yeah, I love it. It's very easy. Please put a like, please subscribe to the channel, and put more information about things you would like to see about this or some of the other cars on the channel. Start to be a lot of different cars. Thank you.